I'm on my way out. Yes, I'm on my way to church right now. I'm driving, of course. Before we get further into the video, I'd just like to point out I had no fun recording or editing this. Yeah, it was a fun day and I have no reason to complain, but you see, when you're feeling depressed and I have absolutely no interest in anything, you don't feel the need to record. I don't feel the need to do a lot of things I usually love to do. Honestly, I just want to shut myself in, and I did for almost 3 weeks before I realized I need to overcome this. I have to go out. So this is me trying. Let's undo one of my shoelaces because I'm wearing buffalo shoes. Can you see? Let's pull up my chair because I'm short. He's asking the girl to come give me the key to start the car. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I've arrived.
A few moments later.
So we're heading to events.
Hello, Samira.
We have arrived at the Sky Lounge and we're about to go upstairs. This is it says we're going on the roof, so we're going on the roof. My family is taking pictures. I haven't put my phone in the tripod yet. I don't know why.
Yeah, I'm going to put them vampires in our phone.
Up the stairs we're going? What? So yeah, I'm here at Food for Thought where they're doing poem, fashion shows and stuff like that. And it's really nice. Some of the poems are boring, at least to me. And I'm making fun of it with my cousins. So that's fun. But yeah, it's a really nice event and it's for charity, so that's awesome too. My pants keep falling down because it's a drawstring and I'm skinny. But overall, it's still pretty.
Shayde.